Hey everybody, Debbie here. I'm in South Mission Beach and I'm about to skate the boardwalk. In honor of the spring equinox and turning our clocks forward, I want to show you this incredibly popular place to skate. It is a must. I grew up here in San Diego and I have skated here many times. It is near and dear to my heart. So I hope to share some new things to those who do know the boardwalk, and I'll show you all the details for those who are interested in checking it out. I like to park at South Mission Beach. In the summer, I try to get here by 10 a.m. to snag a spot. This is 5 o'clock on a Friday, and I had no problem. First, let's suit up. The path begins at the parking lot. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not gonna be the sidewalk of your dreams. It is not the newest, and it could use a little help, but you are gonna find cracks and gaps and sand. They're supposed to clean it once a week, but I find that doesn't really happen. From the parking lot to the Belmont, it's relatively quiet on this stretch. You'll pass the volleyball courts and some really beautiful beach houses. Then you will arrive at the Belmont area. This is where all the action is. Definitely keep in mind that skating the boardwalk is more about going with the flow than trying to get where you're going. In this area, you could get an ice cream, a beer, or a taco and never take your skates off. Most of the time, you'll find people country line dancing or roller skating in these big open areas. It's really cool. This is a super fun area, and it just kind of feels like there's a beach party going on all the time. As you're gazing at the beautiful homes and the ocean views, make sure to keep your eye out for Slow-Mo. He's our local celebrity, a former neurologist who uses daily skating as a form of meditation. I'd like to make a suggestion. Treat the boardwalk like it's a road. When you're not passing someone, please stay to the right so that other people can pass you, especially if you're in a group. Just be aware of people around you. Eventually, you will arrive in Pacific Beach. It's gonna get pretty crowded up here, but before you continue, I highly suggest you stop here at Woody's. Here's a little insider tip. If you get here in the morning, order the donut holes. These are not on the menu, but they are made to order and they sell out. If you missed the donut holes, don't worry, you have tacos and burgers and burritos to choose from. My daughter and I like to just grab a drink and sit at the bar and watch people go by. When you're ready to keep going, just get ready for some serious crowds. PB is known for its bars and restaurants, and there are lines waiting to get in, so just take your time. As you approach Crystal Pier, you'll start to get a lot more breathing room to skate. The boardwalk is about 3 miles end to end, so you could definitely see Mission Beach and Pacific Beach in one day. Eventually, you will reach Garnett and the Crystal Pier. Those are all beach cottages out there that are for rent. And then as you continue, this will be the only hill that you will encounter. It is gentle, but it is a hill, so be warned. One thing I love about skating the boardwalk at sunset is just seeing everybody come together to watch the sun go down. I don't know, it's just nice. Now you'll reach the staircase that goes down to Pacific Beach, and this is what I consider the end of the boardwalk. You actually can continue to Law Street Beach, but it's really hard to skate. If you are worried about going back down that hill, I just go out and in with my skates, and that controls my speed enough. I just cruise down it. The boardwalk is a great place to come on a summer evening. It's also a great place to take your kids, or go with your friends, or show off your stuff. It's the kind of place where skate memories are made. If you're looking for some other places to skate in San Diego, check out my YouTube channel, Debbie Skates San Diego. I have lots of locations for you to check out. Bye!